Hi, Birdie. I can't find the button still.
Can't find the button. Huh?
I'll carry the feather.
Who's a fucker then? Who's a fucker then? Polly wants a fucking cracker. Polly wants a fucking cracker. Give Polly a fucking cracker now. Hey, baby, show us your tits. What? Polly wants a blowjob. That feels good.
Oh my gosh.
Get cat alert! Get cat alert! Get cat alert! What?
No. Oh my gosh. This is funny. Come on. Oh my gosh.
Who's a pretty Polly? Who's a pretty Polly? Not you, Lorda.
Oh my gosh. Work. Come on, Birdie.